What's going on, guys? Siobhan here, back with a new video, and today we have a care package from RhinoShield. Now these are I think they're released, or you could get them on pre-order, but they sent it over to me early. And also I'm going to be giving away one of each. So I have one for the AirPods Pro. Wait. So this is for the AirPods Pro, and then we also have one for the AirPods Gen 1 and Gen 2. So this is the AirPods Pro, you guys all know that, and the AirPods 1 and 2, it will work for those two. Now the good thing about these is that you could buy different combinations, you could mix and match. Y'all know what RhinoShield is all about when it comes on to customizing your stuff. Hopefully in the future they let us add designs to it, so if you're watching this RhinoShield, keep that in mind. But I'm super excited just to show you guys this firsthand before they release it, so you could know what everything looks like. So in this video, I'm just going to talk about the quality, show you guys the unboxing experience and everything. So any further ado, let's jump on into the video. So this is the box we get from RhinoShield. It's the same thing when you get the Pro, same box layout and everything. And actually this is the first time I've ever seen RhinoShield use any white box of any sort. It's normally black and yellow, but this time it's more white and yellow. And it's also like a cardboard box, but it's super easy to open. That's all you do. You take it out. It's actually two-piece, and then you get this keychain part. So if you want to attach this to a lanyard or something like that, lanyard. I think it's a lanyard, but yeah, you could attach this to a lanyard. You get the top piece, and also inside you have the user manual and stuff. So yeah, that's basically it for the unboxing. So we're just gonna test this out on all the different kinds. They show you how to install it. It's super simple and straightforward though, but this is gonna be good because it actually protects your AirPods. So the first color we have right here is like a mint green, like a ice mint winter fresh kind of color. This is the mint green colorway. You can see that it's like a two-piece case. You could easily just open it just like that. Just gives your case a nice design. And what I was telling you about customizing it, you could easily get, for example, let's get a black top. So I have the black top right here. This is actually like a navy or gray colorway. So if we get this gray one, we could just remove the top from this mint, and just like that. This is not the best color combination. Super simple. So if you have a different outfit, you're wearing red and white, yellow and white, you could switch it out, change the different layouts. So yeah, let's just keep unboxing them, and I'll show you guys how every color would look. Here we have the navy blue colorway. Really clean, and this it doesn't feel like, it feels like, yeah, it's definitely plastic, some kind of translucent plastic, you know. We have the cutout at the bottom here for a charging cable and everything, and all of them comes with this metal keychain. I think it's like stainless steel, really good quality. Let's got this blue one right here. And I said before, I'm just showing you guys what this would look like, just in case you ever think about buying one, you know. So I get it, so you don't have to. A couple of them probably in the intro, so you guys could see it as well. Now let's try them out on the AirPods Pro. If this video gets 500 likes, I'll definitely do a giveaway of specifically this pink one. And even if you're a boy, you're still getting it. You're getting this pink one, I don't care. So alright, let's go. So it shows you which part is the front as well, because you can see the LED indicator. I'm not sure if you guys could see it, but they left out the space for the LED indicators, because all the new ones, the wireless charging ones, comes with that LED indicator, so you know when it's on. But yeah, this pink one looks cute, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice pink one, same design, it's just a different case, literally the same design. Nothing changes apart from the design. But yeah, AirPods Pro, you can see the light through it and everything. So, got this combo right here, the pink and yellow. That's sick. Pokemon. Yeah, it look like a Pokemon thing, right? It's pink and yellow, looking nice, yo. It's a nice yellow. It looks like leather too, but it's actually like this really nice plastic. You have the RhinoShield branding on the top, cutout for your charger, and of course it still works with wireless charging. You could also remove the keychain, so if you don't like it, you could simply just remove it like that and you're free to go. But you're just left with this protruding slot right here, but you know, still looks nice. So if you have like a different color AirPods, oh, the inside feels actually different. There's a nice soft material inside here. It doesn't feel like outside. It's more it feels like the Apple silicone case. If any of you guys know the Apple silicone case, that's what it feels like. Let's insert this. Boom. No, this looks clean. This is the one I probably use because you guys know I love white setups. Blends in well with my setup. That's clean. Black and white. If you have a black and white setup, this is the one to rock. I put this upside down. You'll know if you have it upside down because they left some space at the back for the hinge. So once it's flush at the front right here, then you know you're good to go. I feel like the mint green with white would look good right here. So yeah, you could get creative with all of these. And I think once you're purchasing them on the website, you could choose if you want to mix and match. So everything is basically up to you when it comes to customizing the AirPods Pro or AirPods cases from RhinoShield. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. If you made it this far, hashtag navy blue in the comment section so you could confuse everyone. But yes, don't forget you could enter the giveaway. If this video gets to 500 likes, I'll give away one of each version. So one for the AirPods Pro and one for the normal Gen 1 and Gen 2 AirPods. Also, you could customize these to any of your liking. So if you want to put your name on it, you could put your name on it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If I missed anything, let me know down below in the comments. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.